kiss me. Close your eyes and miss me. Close your eyes, I can read your lips on your fingertips. I can see your smile come on my lips. Happiness in your eyes. Yeah.